With the announcement of the Pixel 5a possibly coming with Google's own system on a chip, what better time than now to take a look back at the Pixel 3a, the smartphone which arguably made the Pixel lineup a lot more appealing and accessible to the general population. Hey there tech heads, welcome back to TechPhD, where we talk about everything tech for everyone, and in today's video we'll be taking a look back at the Google Pixel 3a and how it holds up in 2021. Should you buy this if you can, and if you do have it already, should you upgrade? Let's get right into the video. So, as we all know, the Pixel 3a lineup has sadly been discontinued by Google, but it was unarguably their best-selling smartphone at the time, and it's no surprise why. Of course, the hardware was nothing extraordinary, as most reviewers and even users highlighted. It came sporting a plastic back and frame, and even some pretty thick bezels on the 5.6-inch 1080 by 2220 OLED display. The display itself wasn't bad at all though. The resolution was high enough, and the color reproduction was pretty good due to the OLED technology. The Pixel 3a did come out before high refresh rate displays were all the rave, so this is rocking a 60Hz refresh rate. For a more in-depth look at the Pixel 3a and Pixel devices in general, make sure to check out the Pixel King himself, Mike from Team VRY. I'll leave a link to his channel in the iCard and in the description box below. He makes awesome Pixel related content, so you're going to want to check his content out. So performance on the Pixel 3a is about what you'd expect from 4GB of RAM and a Snapdragon 670 chipset. Of course, you're going to know that you're using a mid-range device, but it's not really slow or sluggish, so to say. Endurance is also not bad because it's got a 3000 mAh battery with 18 watts of fast charging as well. Things like scrolling through your apps or social media would be fine due to the fact that it runs stock Android, but when it comes to more intense tasks like playing 3D titles like Call of Duty or PUBG, you might need to dial down the graphics a little so you can get more stable frame rates. One thing you might notice though is the processing time for photos. Snapping pics on the Pixel 3a takes a little bit more time than its flagship counterparts due to the absence of a dedicated visual core as seen on the Pixel 2 and Pixel 3, or a dedicated neural core as seen on the Pixel 4 lineup. Now, that does not go to say that it does take too long, but you do notice a little bit of processing time when you're taking pictures. And while we're on the subject of pictures, the Pixel 3a does deliver a camera quality of the Pixel 3 at a more affordable price. It's still able to produce clean, crisp images with high dynamic range and accurate colors. The pictures do tend to come out a bit contrasty, but that just adds to the appeal in my opinion. Close-up shots and portrait shots have awesome depth of field, and you can even get features like night sight and the highly acclaimed astrophotography. Suffice it to say, you shouldn't have anything to complain about with the Pixel 3a's cameras. Of course, you'd miss out on an ultra-wide and a dedicated telephoto lens, but I believe the Pixel 3a makes up for lack of versatility with quality. And to crown it all off, moving on to the coup de grace of the Pixel 3a, Google software. As I mentioned earlier, the Pixel 3a comes with stock Android, and it's already running the latest Android 11 as expected of a Pixel device. You get Pixel exclusive features such as call screening, where Google is able to identify potential spam callers and redirect them using AI. The voice recorder, which is one of the best recorders on any smartphone. It has great audio quality and even goes a step above other recording apps with its live transcription, where it automatically transcribes every word being said into text for you to go back to later. The software is so intelligent that you can even search for a word by typing it, and the recorder app will show you the places in that recording where the word was said. The Now Playing feature is also awesome, where the Pixel is able to identify any song playing in the background and tell you what the name of the song is. This is a step above Shazam, as it does not require internet connection and identifies the song using AI. So, with all that said, does the Pixel 3a still have a place in 2021? Heck yeah! I mean, if you've got a Pixel 3a and you're thinking of upgrading, then I'd say you should probably hold on, as the Pixel 4a only really improves in the area of the design and a newer chipset. Probably the battery as well. But then the Pixel 5a is just around the corner, and if you could wait a couple more months, then I'm sure you'd be more impressed with the Pixel 5a. If you're looking into getting a Pixel device and you don't have enough money for a Pixel 4a, then I'm sure you could get tons of deals for a slightly used Pixel 3a online, but I would advise you to also make sure that you're getting it from a reputable reseller so you do not get scammed. But with all that said, let me know what you think about the Pixel 3a in the comment section right below the like button. Please make sure to subscribe if you enjoyed the video and if you haven't done that already. With that said, you stay cool, stay safe, wear a mask as always, and I'll catch you in another TechPhD production. Peace.